I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. The week started off with rain and wind in northeast Oklahoma. Nowata recorded the most rain, 3 84/100 inches. Radar indicated that some scattered areas had 5 or more inches of rain, the light and dark orange spots on our rainfall map. The 3-day average of 4-inch soil temperatures under bare soil for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday ranged from 2 to 8 degrees cooler than the previous week. Where it rained, soil temperatures dropped the most. Average soil temperatures were all in the 80s except at 3 sites in the upper 70s. At the end of September, we will finish our water year. This year's water year started October 1st, 2013. As of Wednesday, the red areas were over 12 inches below normal. The orange-red areas were 8 inches short. The light orange areas were 6 inches shy of their normal rainfall. The water year is used by climatologists to track how much rain has fallen for water recharge over the winter, and it's useful for monitoring wheat crop rainfall. Comanche County declared a county burn ban on Tuesday. It is scheduled to last 30 days to October 2nd. Here's Gary with a checkup on drought conditions.
Thanks, Al, and good morning, everybody. It's certainly great to be back on Sun Up. I've been gone a while. Al only lets me come on to talk about bad news. Okay, I'm just kidding, but we do have some bad news, I'm afraid. Let's take a look at the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map. Well, we did see some nice improvements in northwestern Oklahoma from that D2 severe drought down to D1 moderate drought where some nice rains fell, mainly across Beaver and Harper counties. But we also saw some drought intensification across west central Oklahoma where that D3 or extreme drought spread to the east. Now we also have abnormally dry conditions spreading to the east into far southeastern Oklahoma. Now if we take a look at the summer as a whole, we certainly had a lot of good relief, really unexpected during the summer. Lots of improvements. This percent of normal rainfall map tells a story. As you can see, most of Oklahoma, at least from the June 1st through the current period, had from about 120 to 160% of normal rainfall. But those other areas, especially in west central Oklahoma, were still 80% to 60% of normal rainfall for that 3-month period. That's where you get the intensification. But a look back at August also shows why we are seeing drought intensification just in the current period. Again, the nice rains in the far northwest show up on the Mesonet map, but much of the southern half of the state received less than an inch for the entire month. Or, if we look at this percent of normal rainfall map, from 40 to less than 20% of normal. It ended up being the 12th driest August on record since 1895, nearly 1.4 inches below normal. But for west central Oklahoma, it was the 3rd driest on record with an average of only 0.3 inches of rainfall over the west central area. So now that we're approaching the fall rainy season, or secondary rainy season, we really need that precipitation to come through, stop the drought from intensifying further, and maybe even relieve it some more. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.